Keep listening back. Keep listening back. My people, make a first drink wine for this matter. I want to talk. So, I bet join me. Cheers. My people, not be smart enough. Una mami, Oluremi Tinubu, you don't carry on that waka. Go Rivers State. Rivers people where they vest, where they ball. Say one go do your empowerment program where they carry the waka up and down go do. I then disgrace her. In less than 2 months. Last time, a Delta now she go now. Ordinary nursing student, now they embarrass her. This time around, Rivers women get up waka. Come on, they walked out on her. Then I said, carry your empowerment program. Go give us Fubara. I don't know why. If outside no good for you, sit down for house. Yoruba go say to the bashe law. Joko sile. Only you. Your husband they collect from front. You they side they collect. Your son they left they collect. Una daughter they back they collect. Now waiting happen. Call your husband as a woman. If the people around you not no fit tell you the truth because I tell you waiting in the job. Talk to your husband. Wait till they do these people. Something is wrong somewhere. Not only you don't be the first people, president, leader for Nigeria don't collect la disgrace with family. Local government chairman, even House of Reps don't collect the kind of disgrace one they collect so. Now waiting. You can't force yourselves on people. You can't force people to love you. Not only wicked people. Now go they force themselves. You know if you buy everybody, you know everybody you can buy. Not everybody is gullible. When I go they force on ourselves, people no love now go they force on ourselves on people. For some reason, I'm not in support of Fubara. But the thing where they say there must be something that this man has done to his people where they like him, where they want him back. When I not see the kind aggro where they provoke for town. Hunger day town. When I just elected governor of a state where people elect, just come out and like that, carry on that person put there. Which kind country be that? Now we impose on ourselves, on people by force. We not send everybody money if you feel buy. This is clear signs of rejection. What's in? Anyway, man, I don't talk too much. My people, I just come to say, Una Mami Oluremi Tinubu go EU employment center. Empowerment center, sorry. Won't go empower people of women of Rivers State. Now they walk out on her. Tell her say make she carry her empowerment program. They go make she give them Fubara. My people, man, don't forget me share this video. Drop your comment. What do you think? It's not clear rejection. I never see.